Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack again on Senzo Miyonjo on the proceedings when Umnisi was asking Basa about the phone. Ukuthi like kwakuthathwa ithombe ama-selfie kanjani yabo. I'm realizing something about Umnisi. I we had said Umnisi last week. It's not good with these things. Into zikaramusipela into zamafoni nama-selfie ukuthi okay, ifoni mhlawumbe ngenzani, what can it do and all of that. Hayi manje uyabona ukuthi he studied the phone. Uphezu kwakhe uyambuza ukuthi hey bhuti ngicela ukuthi uncede leya phone kokwazi kama ithatha iselfie. Hayi uyazama ukujustify kumabasa uthi no, actually you can at the back of the phone you can actually take selfies. Guys, I don't know if you heard Urata didn't have a problem ngendaba ka-UI hired gun. Benganankinga Urata naleyo nto. You just feels ukuthi mase khona iyenzeka nasema-Canada, and in Canada, it's Canadian law, actually they use it. Even in Australia, there's no problem with that. Yeah, hired gun. Inhlamba yini. Like, you understand my point? This is like, why would I retract that? I won't do that to myself. And I was trying to put across a point. So what must happen now? And manje, it's actually very crazy how Warrant Officer Mabasa is now talking about two phones that were taking pictures for accused number 3. I want to uzobanja kodwa manga. Hayi. Yabona le GTE 2220. That phone doesn't take selfies, guys. Please, let's stop. Like, kanjani? Ayinamanga Mabasa. I don't know, guys, if you noticed what is Umnisi trying to do now. Umnisi is like, lalela. Leya phone nawathatha ama-selfie and into engizo-end up ngiyenza. Ngizo-end up ngimlethe accused number 3 la azohlala standing akhuluma. You know what he's trying to do now? It's the same as Untanzi beno accused number 1. Accused number 1 Umuzi Sibiya no Bongani Ntanzi ba end up sebeyikhulumela lapha after ngithi Linda thought they wouldn't come to the stand and talk for themselves ukuthi ebahlupha ebachuba ebashaya yena noMogana. Actually Mkhula and Mogano babe bashaya bebenza izinto. He thought they were not going to come to the stand, and yabona umuntu Umnisi manje what he's trying to do here, he's trying to push Laba to come to the stand. He's pushing accused number 3 to come to the stand. Azosikhulumela to the stand ukuthi la mina ngaze ngibe naleyo phone ngiyazana nayo. Guys, uGininda and his entourage, Obaloyi and all of them, no warrant officer Ndlovu, no warrant officer Mabasa bayithatha please ithombe, guys, because there's no way ungaba ne-selfie kule phone. This type of a phone has no selfie. Like you can't take selfies. That's what I'm trying to explain here. You can't take selfies. These lies got the guys. And they are busy forcing Umnisi. Umnisi is like, there's no selfie. Like, how could you have taken a selfie? La Untanzi zakho selfie ayithatha ikho ngiyibuza ukuthi kodwa ke lezi thombe zontanzi bayithatha labo baba lapha. Bayithatha ngakuzungu. Job uzungu ene beef nontanzi no accused number 1. Hi guys, it's a lot. And uyazibuza ukuthi ngempela kuzophela nini lento lebelisiqanjelwa amanga ngaka. Hayi. Eyamanga Umabasa manje Umnisi usithi let me help you ngoba your statements are very clouded. Azizwakala into zakho eshoyo. Kuba you saying you downloaded it from the memory card. Sometimes I know you didn't really download. What exactly did you do? Elo baba nayo namanga man. Athi Umabasa he can't remember. He's gonna have to go to his statement and go and read there. He can't remember. Wow. And yabona Umnisi mayithi repeat that again. Ufuna repeat so that the statement is not the same. Hey, udazi Umnisi naye uyadlala ngalo Mabasa wabantu. I said then let me help you. Cabanga guys. That whole situation in Kamabasa it just becomes very hard for him to explain, but it's something that he works with. I really don't get it. And ngengasho kwenye video, I think 2 videos before this one, ngathi hayi man, why is it so hard for him to explain this transferring of information, or should I say these photos basically from the memory card to the USB? It's just something else, eh? Yo, What an embarrassment. Makusekufanele ifundwe i-medical report isisho ukuthi oqala nje uMthobisi Mncube akakaze azabe nayo i-gold tooth in his life.
Obviously, I mean, they're not going to put it like how we wanted it. We want to learn. But it was explained in court. Umnisi nje wa-embarrass abantu wa-expose states like you've never seen before, wasigqiba ngaphansi. You know, labana noma ungabagqiba lonke, they're gonna come out still. Uyamazi uBaloyi. Baloyi doesn't give up. Baloyi die hard, guys. Yabona le medical report is going to cause a lot of animosity already in that court. Kutense. You understand? Akufunwana nje akuzwaniwe. Because abantu, they want to get away with lies. Sengisho state ke lapho. This is why nje already besengasekho right. Like I'm saying ukuthi last week, remember I did say ukuthi uyambona uDr. Ronnie Sibanda ukuthi ubesebonile report when he put it on the records and gave it a name uTiti. Angisazi ukuthi uTiti bani, you know. Ngasho ngathi lo, that is why ethi Urata, can you then adjourn? Uyabona? Abesithi ene, yes my lord we can. Ngathi lo akasafuna kuba secourt akasafuna next because he saw the report. When we didn't see it, you know, when we didn't even hear from Umnisi ukuthi this is what's on the report. And Umnisi now was stealing this report. I was just like, even you, why was it? What's going on there? So now SAPS again has been exposed. Ungazi ngempela guys ukuthi iSAPS ifunani in Senzo Meyiwa's case, guys, when they were not in the house. Our argument every time ukuthi why are people that were in the house not called to come to court? And njengamanje bawutrick phela abantu esesibafuna kule aka court masusubuka kahle. Ngoba asamdingo uzandile Khumalo wafika waqamba manga. Sinida umakakhela into obzodwa. We are looking for long way to come into that court. Ubaba ku busy amstola naye. Uhlezi mfake emajele, mengamfakile ejele umfaka ku rehab. We also need Kelly. That's it. Bonke this half of SAPS, like I've already said, bafuna first guys, those people. Because they come in and out and lie. Like so many of them have been in that court. Umabasa was just like the worst for me to come to court and embarrass the state like you've never seen. To a point where I even think they didn't choose well. Why did they choose such a person to come and represent it, and then abakwazi nanokhuluma proper things, and they lying through their teeth and ibonakala kahle nje ukuthi uqamba amanga bhuti. So Umnisi, like I said, ukuthi he's been just very calm. He doesn't scream. Not anymore anyway. It's just like, we done. Sikhathele mamanga. Mina ke ngizoni expose ke. Ngilonga ngawa understand amafoni, but I will study them. And uyambona ukuthi he studied on the weekend. The whole thing. Ukuthi you know what? I will come to court and I will expose people. And he did exactly that. Wasenza state to a point where uBaloyi ngathi akekho court. And just sitting there, Ubaloyi, he's been there. Epompalo, emtshela it, but it's not working. Their stuff is out there. This whole thing has been manufactured and cooked. It's fabrication at its best. Basebenzelanga. Iloge ingathibuka ngathi genuine into yabo into engekho. Babahlambalaza, the embarrassment there is in another level. Umnisi was just like so brilliant. Yabona ke i-black excellence ke makhulunywa nge-black excellence usekhulunywa ngento so ngapha abantu bembhesha Umnisi ngapha nangapha everywhere bese nje ayisuka naye nje. He's very unprofessional. Obviously mawufuna iqiniso there's a certain way ufanele wenze ngayo. Abafana abantu. This is who Umnisi is. There's nothing we can do about it. Kodwa sikwazanga yini ukuthola amanga ebantwini sikwazile ukubakhipha amanga abantu. At the end of the day, the state, like I said in my most videos, they are izingqanje zabo has been outside njengoba ubona ezemfene. Ubaloyi egqitshwa so many times, but ubaloyi keeps on coming out. Athi ngeke mina uzungiqede. I am coming out. Banamanga laba abantu in another level angikaze. Like how uSenzo's mom would be crying and saying, Senzani, uSenzo wenzani? Why? Why? Can't they just get justice le female abantu? And uyayibona le nto ukuthi NA State couldn't even cross-examine ubaba lo, uWarrant Officer Mabasa about the gold tooth. Noma babona ukuthi uya defeated. I mean, sesimbuzani lo ngoba vele he is embarrassing us. But i-dental expert did mention ukuthi vele they can't go as far as 2014, but lo muntu akabonakali njengomuntu waba ne-gold tooth before, you know. I-state nje on its own bona bahlulekile to prove beyond reasonable doubt ukuthi there was a gold tooth laphana. Bayahluleka guys, these people. And I've said ukuthi ubaloyi ngabe nje vele he must just give up and be like, mina I'm done vele. Angisena next. And I am telling you, mark my words, ubaloyi is going to go again and find someone else who's going to come to court who have nothing to do with this case. Nothing whatsoever. Like how you see yonke le SAPS employees coming to court for no reason. He's gonna go and come up with someone else. He doesn't give up ubaloyi Jen. And akazenzi ubaloyi ukuthi understand. Uphusha uGininda. Also naye akazenzi. Uphusha na uGininda athe uzobona ukuthi wenza njani. Like I'm saying ukuthi what they normally do is that they will bring up enye futhi evidence engekho. But bayibize evidence. Kodwa kaze evidence esifuna thina abantu ababelapha kakhulu kumali. Asifuna izitori thina isikhatheni.